especially to you that's watching this video. So I know this is a bit different. Usually I wave at you, but yeah, I know I was gone for about 7 months, 7 to 8 months, I don't know. I was in that deep black hole again, with the bipolar and depression and anxiety and all that stuff. But I went for therapy and with all my doctors and that stuff, I'm fine now. And I can't wait to get started with the Dollhouse again. So yeah, I'm back. And enjoy this video of all the stuff I already made. So then wait for the next video, it's on its way. So until next time, bye. like I said last time, I'm going to start here by the Bri barbecue area, start building that there, and then of course still the thing of the stairs, but I actually think of not put any stairs in here in the first place. It will take too much space inside here, and then in second place I won't use the stairs, so I'm just gonna make believe stairs somewhere. But yeah, so I'm thinking of not going to make stairs because I actually like this picnic set here. It came with a picnic set of the Barbie. I would rather put some art or something, maybe even a dartboard here against the wall, and just leave this here. And then with the Bri area, I actually also got a Bri with this picnic table here, and a table with that as well. So I have a Bri and a working space here, but it will also take much more space, less here. And I just maybe going to like lift it a little bit, because for me it's just too short for the Barbie, the Kindle. I would rather have it a bit up here, so I'm thinking of just building a little platform there, and then leave with like bricks, like the same as the TV fireplace area here. Just a little platform with bricks, and just put that on top, and then that's my Bri area, and I will put all that other stuff. And then I can even maybe put this little thing I've got with one of the Barbie sets somewhere here. I know it will take a little bit of space, but it's just also a bit small. But yeah, I will see what I can use. I'll put it there in a corner as well. Maybe I'll see what I'm going to do with that. Maybe I won't. Maybe I can use it by a swimming pool rather. And then obviously I have to still build. I just put some fairy lights here for now, but I still have to build in the ceiling, finish the ceiling here, and put some lights in the roof there, the ceiling. So that I will also do at a later stage. But first of all, I don't want to start with this yet, because I'm in a mood for making clothes again for the Barbie dolls. Since it's the beginning of winter here by us now. So yeah, I'm going to start with that first. So let me just show you a bit about that as well. So actually everything is already ready here for some outfits for everyone. Different types of outfits, like definitely onesies for them, and pajamas, and some winter clothing for everyone. Like we're going to start with the baby, the smallest one, the little Cindy, and then Darren and Kaylee, and then Sally, and then lastly Kevin. I'm going to make some clothes for all of them. So yeah, I'm going to start with that first. So see you in the next video. Bye.